Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today's video is about detailed bedroom cleaning and setup. So let's start the video. So this is how my room was set up before, and I know it kind of looked very messy, but it was only because I was sorting my new outfits, and I was putting it according to the type of wear. So it was so if it was heavy wear, I was putting it on the one luggage, and if it's regular, it goes in another luggage, and if it's party wear, it goes in a different luggage. And in the middle of that, I just thought like I will shoot this part because I was running out of time. I had to start cleaning very soon, and I just didn't wanted to miss this part. I wanted to show you how my room was set up before, and also just to keep a memory for myself as well. And my dresser area always looked like this. I don't know how. I clean it up, and then in a week it just goes back to this same position. And beside that, you can see I'm a real person. I use no filter. Unfortunately, we couldn't do the cleaning the very same day, so this was 3-4 days later. We both were very busy, and I needed Ahmed's help to move the bed. Here he is vacuuming the top and the rear part of the headboard. Once he finishes that, I am going to use the microfiber cloth to wipe it down. Usually this part is always missed when we are cleaning, so we are trying to pay attention now. And please don't think I'm only filming, because here you can see so many stuff here, and I have to find room for everything here, everything. Guys, please don't freak out, because this is not how we live. This is only under our bed, and I don't know how we get so much dust under our bed. We don't even keep our windows open most of the time, so I don't know how we get this, but every time we look under our bed we find dust. So we planned that Ahmed is going to vacuum first, and then I'm going to sweep, and then we are going to mop the floor twice. One time he will mop it, and then one time I will mop it. So this is what we did. We cleaned this area. You can see we mopped also, but the dust were still flying in the air, so we tried to catch as much as we can in our vacuum. And I don't know why, but I literally mopped this area 3 or 4 times, because we are going to put our bed here. And I was thinking like I won't get to mop this area so well later on. So I mopped it 3-4 times. As you can see, it's 4:30 now, and we are still cleaning. Like I said before, we both were not getting time, and we were, procrastinating cleaning our room. So we finally thought like we will clean it at night. That's why we are doing this late night cleaning, or you can say early morning cleaning. 6 in the morning now. Actually, it will be in 15 minutes. Done with the cleaning and setup, and very tired. Took shower, and now going to sleep. Just need to take care of this corner. Everything is going to stay here. I just need to wipe this down and then put everything in the on the dresser. And this corner, here I have stuff from Walmart. I am actually trying to planning to make a haul video from Walmart. Anyways, this is my makeup drawer, and here are my purses. I don't know where I'm going to keep my purses. So this is actually blocking my makeup drawer, the bottom one especially. I cannot open it, but I don't really put a lot of stuff. I only use the first few drawers for my makeup, so I'm sorted for now. I don't know where I'm going to keep my makeup and this bag. If you have any idea, do let me know. And this corner is still needs to be taken care of. So yeah guys, this is how my new room setup is. What do you guys think? I think this looks much nicer, cleaner, and more spacious compared to the last setup. This in this way everything is in one corner, and when I open my bedroom door I don't see any furniture in the front. So I think like it looks more spacious and more cleaner. What do you guys think? Do let me know in the comments below. And yeah, so this was the video. I hope you guys like it. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.